In this video, I'm going to share with you a formula which will count last continuous non-blank cell. So you can see we have a data set, and in this data set, we have a last non-continuous blank cell. In this case, we have 7. In this case, we have 1 here, but the last continuous non-blank cell are 13, 14, 15, and the count is 3. In this case, we have count here, which is total 9. But our goal is to find the last continuous non-blank cell. So that's why you can see the result 5. And this is for all of the data if no blank cell in the data set. If we just delete any of the result, it will count last non-blank cell, which is 18 in this case. So how we can develop this formula? Let's go together. To develop the formula, first we apply the scan function. I will develop the function here and then I will show you the result on A2 cell. So first we will apply the scan function. For the scan function, my initial value, so in this case I will define the initial value as 0 value and my array are range. So I will just define the first array as a range. Okay. And I will apply lambda. For the lambda function, what is the parameter? So I will define or initial value as a x and my range as a y. So you can define any of the variable. Now we will define the function. So if we just apply x plus y, close the brackets for scan and lambda, and we'll run the function, you can see 0, 0, 0 from here it start 1, 2, 3 and there is no value, so it's not summing the value. There is a value 4 and this is how it's summing. Basically the function took the value x0 and then start with the first value, and after this x plus y, in this case x plus y is 0, in this case x plus y, so this is again the second iteration, but this is still 0. In this case the x plus y become 1 and they give this value to x, and in this case they become 2 and iterating till the end of the data set and give us the final result. The goal is if we find 1, 2, 3, after there is a blank, we don't want to see any numbers. So what we need to do, we just need to apply the if condition here. So if my y, what is the y? Y is actually the range. If y equal to empty, okay, we will use double quotation here, then we want x to be 0, okay, otherwise we want x plus y. And now if I just close the bracket for lambda function and close the bracket for scan and hit enter, it will give me the true false along with the number 1, 2, 3, 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is false, false, false. If I just increase the width of the cell, you can see this is false. Now the goal is to filter out each false and true and just filter out the number. So what we need to do, we just need to define, let me just define the let function first. Let, and we will define the let as array, and this whole is our array. Now what we need to do, we just need to filter out. Filter, what you want to filter? I want to filter my array which I define, and if is number, I will apply the number function and again define array. So if this is number, filter those row. If this is true false, filter out those rows. So if we close the brackets for let function and hit enter, you can see we get only the result 1, 2, 3. Again this is 1, again starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the goal is to took this 7 value. So how we can took this value? You can simply apply the take function. So for the take function, this whole is our array, and for the rows we will skip because this is in column wise, so we will skip the row and we will just define -1 to get the last column value. Close the bracket, hit enter, and this is how we get our result. Now, of course, you can just simply copy paste this formula and you can increase the weight of the column. Just Control V to paste, and you can drag this formula down to get all of the result. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, share this video. Thank you so much.